Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a small Temu haul to share with you. I also have a Temu code that you can use and a $100 bundle that you can also use if you're a new user or reinstated your Temu app. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this bag of goodies. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is I got some binder rings, and these are actually made out of plastic. And I got this so I can make like mini journals. And this is a mixed pack, and you do get, this one is a pastel color, and it is made out of plastic. Let me open one. All it is like a ring. It's a binder ring plastic, and it does clip. So all you do, and it is, you can cut it so you could make it as, you know, long or as short that you want to. And all you do is, I don't know if you can see, all you do is just push it in. And there you go. So this wasn't expensive at all. And then you open it. So I did get these for like swaps and to make little journals, so I don't have to use the metal ones. But this one does come with yellow, a light blue, looks like you get two each, a mint, purple, and a pink. So this is I like this. And they do have other colors. I got that one. Next thing I have is some nails. I've been wanting to try the nails on Temu, so I did get some nails to see how they, if they're any good. Now with the nails, I will make a short on them instead of a video. But I went ahead and choose this one here. And what I like about it, that they're press on, but the little plastic stickies is on a separate sheet. This is the main reason why I want to try it. So you will stick this on the nail and then put it on your finger. So that comes with that. And then this is the ones I got. Look at that. These are actually really nice. Yeah. This one you can mix and match. So I got those ones. And it does come with the nail file, so you can file your nails. I did get another one here. And this one came in an actual box. And these are real cute. I like those. Look at that. It's almost the same kind of ones that you get at Walmart. So I got those ones there, because you know me, I love the pink. I might try these ones first. Those are real cute. Next thing I have here is a clay cutter. I want to go ahead and make my own cabochons. So I bought a flower. You can actually use this together separate, but this one is a flower, and it does have a mini skull, which does go in the middle. Now some of these are expensive. There's some that I like that's like $8. So I'm still debating if I want them. But basically, you cut the flower out, and it's actually really thick. This is a good thick one. You cut the flower out, and then a little skull, and then you put it on top of there. That's that one. Another thing I hauled are these charms. I saw these and they're so cute. I like them. They look like little vintage frames. Look at these. And you do get 10, and these are actually real thick. Look at that. How cool are those? Now these would go real nice with the hero art. They did come out with a nice die set for Halloween. This would go really good with that one. I got that one. And then here I have some little candy charms. Well, not candy charms. These are actually almost like nail art, I believe. Let's look at a few of these. And I got this to add an embellishment. You do have a little room to make it into a mini. If you get a small ice screw, you could probably make one. But these little candies come with red, yellow, blue, green, purple, and orange. And you get quite a bit. So this was a nice little buy. Another one that I got here are little mummies. I saw these and they actually match my charms that I ordered, which I have it on a video, a previous video. Look at these. How cute are those? These are tiny. It's almost like rubber. They're like a rubber. And these are a bead. The bead goes sideways. Look at that. These are real nice. I like those. And you get a good amount in here. I got those ones. Another thing I hauled is these little skull nail charms. I had hauled these before and I got some more. So those are these and those. And they can come in white, pink, black, and then you got light pink. Got those also. And I also got some Gothic stickers. Just check these ones out. Now I find with the stickers they're usually hit and miss. Sometimes you get a wacky looking one, but majority you get real nice ones. We got this one, the skull. This one's the skull with the rose. Like I said, these are Gothic ones. The skeleton couple. This is like an anime person. This is a vintage music box. I love that. Butterfly bow. A cake. And then another skeleton with roses. A book. Look at that. Owl with the skull. Some heels. A kitten with the skull. Actually, these are actually real nice quality. You got the skull again. There's like a water. You got another little anime girl. Okay, this one you got the skulls and like grouped together, and that's the second one. That's nice because I like that. So at least I got another one. Like a potion bottle. Looks like a bow with the crown on it. A vintage phone. And then this one is another skeleton head. Nice, I like those. Now the next thing I was able to get, actually the last things, were some gemmies. I'm always in need of these, and I like these because these are AB. You got the AB shine on them. When I saw that, I was like, oh yes. So these are two different shops that I did order them from. I want to see which one was better. So we'll look at these two first. And this one is a white one. I usually buy mine from Hobby Lobby. Even Walmart has a few of them. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that. They do get one sheet. Yeah, you get one sheet. Oh, I love, love, love that. Look at the white one. Next one I have here is pink. I love my pink. Look at this one here. And this one you also get one sheet. Love, love, love. Look at that. The prettiness. Yeah, so that's real nice. I do like that. And they do feel real, real nice. And then this is from another shop. And this is a darker pink. Oh wow, look at that. See if I'll show you. Look how nice that is. And there's also one sheet. Yeah, one sheet. Now this one I believe is a strip, but you just cut in the middle. Real nice, love that. And then I have it in orange. Oh wow, look at that one. I love AB. I love it's like a holographic shine to it. Love, love, love. I'm going to get, they got multicolors. So, like I said, I got these just to see how the colors will be. And I am impressed. And then this one here is the blue one. Wow, look at that one. Look how gorgeous that is. Yeah. And like I said, they just cut the center. But love it. Yeah, so I am impressed with all of this stuff here. I will put all the links below if they're available. And like I said, Temu seems to be back because things have been available to be able to link on the bottom. So yeah, leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite, or if you use any of these products. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.